Hi, I'm Elisa Pacelli, and welcome to Episode 5 of Learn My Mac. Today we're going to be talking about the service menu, which can be found in the name of the application that you're working in. If you click on it and scroll down, you'll see something called Services with a disclosure triangle, and all the different services that are available for that particular application. Now, a service is basically a little shortcut that will allow you to maybe take some highlighted text, send it to an email, click on a link and open in a particular browser, and do some other little neat things that will make your life a little bit simpler. But before we go into any detail about this, the first thing I'd like to do is show you the services that are available in System Preferences. You would go to your System Preferences, open Keyboard, and then Keyboard Shortcuts. Now, what I did for the purposes of this podcast is I enabled a lot of different shortcuts that I normally would not use, just to show you what the different options are. The first thing you really should do is enable ones that you think you would use and disable ones that you wouldn't use. For example, convert selected text to simplified Chinese. I don't speak Chinese. I don't know anyone who does, so I really have no reason for that, so I would disable. Also, a lot of the applications that they mention that you can use to send data to, if you do not have it installed on your Mac, those options won't be available to you. So now let's go into the browser. I've already gone onto a page on the Apple website, OS X line technical specifications. Now, let's say I want to send this to somebody. I would highlight it like this. Now, yes, I can copy and paste it into a mail message. I can also go back up to my browser where it says Firefox, Services, and as you can see, I have all these choices now of different things I can do. I can send it to Mac Journal. I can send it to Write Room. I can make a sticky note. Why don't we try that? So now I've got a sticky note with a little note to myself to let me know what the specs are for OS X Lion. But back to the email. I want to send this to someone in an email. And down at the bottom where it says messaging, new email with selection. And you can see my mail program opens. Everything I highlighted appears in the email, and all I have to do now is address it and send it. And another thing it can do, if I scroll down here to Contact Us, you can see here I have Apple's address. Well, I don't know where Cupertino is. So I will highlight one infinite loop, Cupertino, go back up to the menu, Services, and if I scroll down a little bit, show address in Google Maps. And as you can see, it's connecting to Google, and here we are, right here. I now have a map of where Apple is, right here. Another thing it can do, Textedit. Let's say I type, today it is raining, which unfortunately really is. But I wanted that to be in all caps, and I forgot to hit the cap lock button. Well, I can delete everything and type it again, or I can highlight it, go back up here to where it says Textedit, Services, and right here, all caps. And as you can see, it changes it to all caps. And let's say I type another sentence. It is also cold. I forgot to change the I to a capital letter. Highlight, Textedit Service, initial cap. And as you can see, it just changed the I to a capital I. So that's just a couple of things that the service menu can do. It would really, it would behoove you to play around a little bit, see what you come up with, see which shortcuts work best for you and your workflow. And it's just one more fun little thing that makes using the Macintosh such a fun experience. So this is Elisa Pacelli for Learn My Mac, and I will see you next time.